guys, welcome back to my channel again, and I hope that all of you are doing so well. What's up guys, let me know in the comment section. I definitely want to know because I really want to know that how is your new year is going. Mine is not good, not bad, just going. I have lots of plans. I don't know what's going to happen, but still now what really happened. Um, the good thing is I have completed 1 year of my married life. That is really good. And second thing is that I have achieved a lot of things in my life. Achievement doesn't mean that a house, a car. Achievement also include also something I did a lot of learning. So I have learned so many things from my life, and that's also achievement for me as well. In this video I want to share with you 12 things that I have decided not to buy again in my life. Why, what are the things, and why I don't want to buy them, and why I have taken this decision. Definitely we are gonna talk in detail in the video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then I am Ikshita Mukherjee, and the name of my channel that will be I do some different kind of video with on different kind of topics on YouTube, and I love doing that. If you really want me to make such video after watching the whole video, please do comment down in the below section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. It will be an absolute pleasure for me. It just means extreme happiness for me. Please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is here. And now from there, let's start the video first. If you have not checked my previous video, I'm going to link the video in the description box. Please do check out. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the things that I have decided not to buy again and not to invest again in this product, and definitely want to tell you why this kind of mentality is growing for me. So let's start with the number one product. High-end scrubber. Yes, I have decided so many things that if I have to add this or not, but still this is in my first priority. Why I have decided this to add in my top 12 list that I don't want to buy again. There's such natural things in surrounding us, that is coffee powder, that is sugar, that is masoor dal, or I can tell the rice powder, the rice actually the with cereals, rice powder, and a lot more that can be a very good scrubber for your body. And when a company actually manufactured it with some more essential product, just mix it with some more high-end product that's not always high-end, because all other products that's really good for your health and on your body is natural. I truly believe it from my heart. I'm not against any acidic property. I am not against any kind of company that's not a natural, that is completely chemical, completely acid based. I'm not against anything. I like to use any sort of product that is really good for my health, good for my skin. But sometimes we definitely want to concentrate on this, why these products are not good for me, and how can I do better for this. It's just a thinkable thing. It's not like the brand, it's not like the ingredients. I have decided to not to buy any kind of high-end scrubber. Whatever the works of a scrubber is to scrub all over your body, you can definitely add some more things. 500 rupees for a scrubber. If you want a good scrubber for your body and definitely want to explore something, that's good. Sometimes I like to invest in some more product that is definitely over 500, but once I use the product, it's good. But high-end scrubber, body scrubber is just for rupees 1000 or 700 or 800. I think it's a little bit more for these days. I don't know, whatever your choice is, you can buy, guys. It's completely personal. It's my thought that I don't want to buy this kind of scrubber for my body. Really very happy with the coffee powder or rice lentils that scrub so smoothly to my skin. Thank God. Number two, I have decided not to buy again in my life, that is high-end or super expensive face mask. So face mask, why we use face mask? Definitely gives our skin a little bit extra nourishment, extra protein, extra care, extra brightening, whatever you need. your serum can do it better, but when you use a face mask, it just give you a more extra care for your skin. That is all the need of the face mask. Definitely there's always a steam, there is skin toning, moisturizing, massaging, face mask, then serum. You can definitely follow this. But sometimes we a lot of people I have seen this, and sometimes it just grieves me that inspiration to just invest my money to those expensive face masks that is I am talking about. I'm not against any brand. Again, I'm telling you guys, I'm not against any brand. If a brand is good, like whenever I feel that I need to invest in a 3000 mark, definitely I don't need to do anything else in my life or anything else for my skincare. But the fact is, you have to eat healthy, you have to stay healthy, you have to take care of your skin, you have to take care of your hair, and then you have to take care you have to use a good skincare or hair care brand. Then whatever the good actually becomes it, we definitely don't want to buy this 3000 face mask when I know that the same thing will happen with the 500 face mask. So why I will buy that super expensive face mask? I've decided not to invest in any super expensive face mask. Only the face mask I definitely want to like is 500, 800 for the quantity, and obviously the reviews definitely matters, guys. So I always suggest you to just go as per the reviews of the vloggers before buying their any expensive things, because your money matters. A lot of people can tell me why this option, but the thing is I'm not really very comfortable with high heels. So I have decided not to buy high heels anymore. I like to wear heels that is flat, or the heels that is, I think I'm telling you this much. I think this is actually 1 inch or 2 inch. That is actually okay for me. But I have stopped buying heels because I'm not really comfortable with heels. I'm not a cat walker. I can't do it. And the thing is, I'm not like this. I'm not interested for this. Well, some time back, I saw that the girls who can actually wear high heels in a very good manner, in a good way, are so smart. But the thing is, smartness is all you have around yourself, your attitude, your behavior, your changing, your personality. That is all smartness is. So you don't need to invest in a high heels, or you don't need to wear these high heels for being smart. Fact, and it is truth. So I've decided not to buy high heels anymore. Well, if I think that I can do any time in my life, and after learning it very, you know, specifically that I can do it, I can wear it. So that's the way. But to just feel the shoe rack of my that I have high heels but I can't wear high heels, so I'm not that type of person, so I have decided not to buy high heels more. Number 4 is wet wipes. Well, there is a very lot of confusion about wet wipes, that it's not good for nature, and if you have not think, you need to think, guys, then you definitely need to view that kind of video, that the wet wipes are not really good for our nature. I don't want to do this video so long, so I don't want to you know do this topic here. But well, wheat wipes have different several kind of ingredients. Definitely depend on the brand on and how this is actually processed. But it's not really good for our nature. Whatever is not good for our nature, I think we have definitely some other kind of option. We have makeup balm, we have makeup remover balm, makeup cleaning water, micellar water, and we can skip that wet wipe. Well, I have decided not to buy wet wipes anymore. But the thing is, if you're traveling somewhere and we need that very urgently, you definitely can do that. And the purpose of producing wet wipes is also the same. For this kind of area, we can't use water, we can't use a lot of things. Wet wipes is here. Wet wipes is just here to just overcome the problem. But in daily life, it's really not good to use wet wipes anymore. So I thought, if I don't need this product so much, I will not just buy anymore. Number 5 is a makeup product that is color corrected. I have never used in my life, and thanks to God and thanks to me that I've never used this, because I have never invested my money in this, and I have never just needed that. I don't know that why people have so many color corrector, like the green color corrector, the lavender, the orange, lots of things. We only need the orange color corrector, but it also depends the skin, the concern, the color correction, whatever you need. But I don't think that whatever your color is, you can even it out, but you don't need it to whiten it out. Color correction is all about the skill. If you have some uneven skin tone, you can use the color corrector, that's good. But beside that, I think that you also need to take care of your skin, talk to a dermatologist, and take good care of your skin. You have need to repair your skin in a natural way, that you don't need to use color corrector in a daily basis. So, and thanks to god, I have never used a color corrector, and I'm so happy about that. I never feel that my makeup is incomplete without that. If you have seen my previous video, you should know that. Well, I have stopped doing makeup video for some time while now, because I have not invested in so many makeup right now. So I thought, but if you really want some makeup videos from me, please do let me know. I'll definitely love to do it, guys. Anyway, so what about the color corrector? I have decided not to buy color corrector again, but if you do need this, do this. But I really think that if you have some serious problem on your skin, to consult with a doctor, the skin therapist or skin dermatologist, and that will be a good solution for your skin, that you don't need to use so many chemical product on your skin, and your skin will look good in a natural way. So yeah, no color corrector. So guys, the number 6 is multiple highlighter or multiple contour palette. I am a great fan of highlighter. I just love using highlight on my skin. That is, I don't know, everyone has the obsession of makeup. Someone love lipstick. I also love lipstick. Someone love contour, some blush. I personally love highlighter. Just doing love highlighting on my skin. That really give me the love. In daily life, I have to stop using highlighter. I actually think that I don't need that. Well, I have decided not to buy multiple highlight or contour palette. Well guys, I have three highlight palette, and there are one is from Nykaa, that have two shades. So in total I have four highlight palette. And if you use one palette for a daily basis on your skin, how much highlighter you need? You actually can use one highlighter palette for a year. If I just consume it, definitely you can use it more, but 1 year. Then why should I just use so many highlighters? Because there is some highlighter shade you need to use in daily life, and some for your gorgeous party occasion. So two highlighters for the occasion is enough. If you love makeup, then I'm telling you, you just don't need so many highlighters in your life, because every makeup product, definitely every product, not only the makeup product, every product has expiry date, and after 3 years, what will you do with that highlighters? If you're just you going to donate them, then okay, but I have no one to donate them, so it's just skipping, it's just sitting on my table, and it's day by day, it's just expiring in a day, and my money is wasted. So I thought not to invest in multiple highlighter or contour palette. I think in this way I can save my money more. Whatever your choice is, guys, you can definitely invest in that product, but I would like to invest this money in my skincare more, and not in my makeup. I love doing makeup, but for the fact, guys, every makeup product had expired date, so you can just use that any highlighter palette for 10 years. You can maximum use this palette up to 3 years, and the fact is, you don't need to actually use this highlighter on daily basis. And if you use one highlighter palette for daily basis, it's just not going to end in 1 year. So why should I? Really don't want to invest my money, and don't want to waste my makeup also. So I have decided not to buy multiple highlighter palette. I love doing highlighting. Definitely I have so many, I have my eyes so many products, but I really don't want to waste them. Number 7 product is lash primer. Well, I have never used lash primer, but I have thought I definitely want to buy this lash primer from L'Oreal itself. L'Oreal is a very well-renowned brand, and definitely I personally like this brand a lot. But the fact is, I just don't like the concept of the lash primer. Use a lash primer just before you are coating your mascara or your false lash, and then you can use your mascara, or you can use your false lash. But the fact is, why we use the lash primer? You can use a lash growth oil, or a good serum on your lash, that is good, but a lash primer I don't think it's needed for us, and it's completely no for me, so I have decided not to buy lash primer anymore. Number 8 is whitening face pack or whitening face cream, whatever you want to say. What is whitening skin whitening product actually? So, well, in my early 20s or 22, I can say, I had a thought that, oh my god, I can do. I think every girl had this thought that my skin color is going to better. Oh my god. But the fact is, after using so many products, I have never realized for many women they can become whiter. They can become even like after taking care of their skin as me. But I don't think that if a brown girl born with a brown skin, it actually can convert it into a white skin, because it's God gifted and it's natural skin color. So we need to think about this. That is our only own skin color. That is brown, that is black, that is white, that is Swedish. Whatever the skin color is your natural. You can brighten them up. You can take good care of your skin. You can definitely add some glow of, to your skin after eating so many good things, and definitely after so many drinks, juice, and whatever whatnot. But the fact is, you can't be white in one day, or you can't be white in all your life, because this is my natural skin color, whatever I have, and that I am born with. Well, the matter is this your skin color, and it just becomes, it just process with very much change of your life is a hormonal cycle sometime. But the fact is, we just can't change our natural skin color. It time sometimes get tanned due to sunlight, due to our work life, due to our stress life and whatever. Just ago when I went to Kashmir, I thought that all my pimples are just vanished. But the thing is, when I came back to Kolkata, it just came slowly, and my skin really got damaged due to the change of place and change of weather. So whatever, the fact is, this is my natural skin. I can definitely take care of this, but I can't change my skin color one to one. This is my natural skin color. And whatever the makeup concept, guys, I think makeup is all about to even out your skin complexion, even out your skin position, and whatever skin just looks very polished, but not about this look very white, as I think from my heart. But my and for my light, you can see I have so many lights in my room. Sorry, you can't see. But the fact is, whenever I just turn down the light up and down, you can actually see a little bit change in the light, but not that I am so white and so black. I think you can understand the concept, whatever I'm trying to tell you guys, that stop using skin whitening products. Instead of it, just be ensure what is your skin problem is, whatever the dullness, what is the brightness, whatever you have the hyperpigmentation, the whatever your problem is, look for the solution of your skin, and definitely your skin will bloom with the time. Once upon a time, I was very excited whenever a new launches came, but right now, whatever my mindset is, I definitely want to buy those products that has actually very good reviews. Not only for the bloggers, actually it also depends the company reputation, and also the product is used for, and actually what are the price I'm paying for, and what I'm getting for, and matters a lot of things. But don't really get excited about every new launch. It's kind of excitement I think every makeup lover, every blogger has. Also, I have sometime. But the fact is, you need to invest your money in that way. It's just being for helpful for you. It's just not like that. Just a new shampoo will come, and then I just order it, and it does not do good for me, good for my hair. So definitely I have decided not to buy every single new launch from this time. Extra cheap makeup. I have decided not to buy cheap makeup from anymore. Well, makeup actually insists a lot of things. Whenever I go to a marketplace, there are lots of stores using this makeup products, and I really think that this makeup products are really not good for your skin or not good for your health. But some brand I definitely want to use, like Swiss Beauty, that L18, that's a really well-known brand in your pocket money, but you can use them. It's not like my suggestion, it's not without my suggestion, it's just a way, guys. I really want to guide you that extra cheap makeup product is not really good for our skin. It's sometimes very harmful our skin. Instead of it, we definitely need to invest a mid-range product fit for our budget in. I'm not talking about you to invest in a 1,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees lipstick. You can also invest in a 500 rupees lipstick, and it's also a good for you. But always make sure that you are using a brand, and definitely it has a good reputation. Not use the cheap makeup that's on first street market. Sometimes it's really bad for your health as usual, because they don't know the ingredients and where it's come from, what it has. So make sure always, guys, whatever you are using on your face, or you are using for your makeup, is from the good brand, or you know about this brand, that's all. So I've stopped using that extra cheap makeup. Well, for your information, I have never really invest in my money to a very extra cheap makeup. Well, I have already told you about 10 products, and it's the more two things which I have decided not to buy again or not to invest again. That is completely different. One is this hair supplement or hair gummies. I have seen so many bloggers, so many celebrities that using that gummies or they're using that hair supplement. But whatever my personal thinking about this, you don't need to invest on this product, because and before using this product, please guys, make sure whatever the product, whatever the ingredients you are using this product, is really good for your hair or it is not, is that any side effect or not. So I have decided not to use any kind of gummies or hair supplement from now on. As per my information, guys, you can definitely use some natural ingredients for your hair, for your skin, that it has some other thing. There is a lot of issue I'm telling about, like I just can't tell you in one video about this product, but I have decided not to invest my money to hair supplement or skin supplement or power gummies. Last but not the least, guys, this is completely out of the topic. This is channel subscription. I have decided not to invest my money in a channel subscription. Well, there is a lot of subscription in my hour's life. There's a Netflix, there are Hoichoi, there is Eros Music or Hotstar, lot of. But the fact we just invest our money into that, and then we just don't have the time to actually watch the I mean, enjoy the full pack within them. I don't think when I do job, or when I am not doing job, I can actually see channel subscription for 30 days. Actually, it's not really possible. So if you can actually watch a movie or watch Netflix at least 3 hours per day, then the subscription actually, I think, matters. If you don't, I don't think that it's actually really worth it. So before investing your money in a channel subscription, please make sure how much time you can actually give your subscription, or how much time you can actually invest just watching this, and be thoughtful about your money, be thoughtful about your time, what are you investing and what are you doing, and what are just they are gone. So I have completely decided not to invest my money in any kind of channel subscription. And for me, I'm an office worker, so I just don't get so many time for this. And for me, this kind of one movie per day is okay for right now. And sometimes I just couldn't get that time, even I couldn't get that time to do to record a video, so I'm so busy in my life, but not for my life. It's completely different for from others to others. If you get time for your Netflix subscription, you can watch this. You can actually get the complete enjoyment. Please do watch this. If you can't, please save your money. So I have completely stopped investing my money in a channel subscription, and that is the 12th product. I have decided not to invest my money anymore, and some other things definitely in my mind, but well, before telling you guys, I really need to think whatever I want to use them or not. Actually, every single thing has a different concept, whatever I need to think. So anyway guys, this is all about the video for today, and let me know what are the things you have decided not to invest anymore. Anything, like if one thing you have decided not to invest in this, please let me know in the comment section. It can be a very important topic that we can actually relate to ourselves. Please do comment down in the bottom bar what are the things you have decided not to buy again in your life. I definitely want to know. And if you really like the video after watching the whole video, you know what you have to do guys. Please do like this video, do comment in the bottom bar, and let me know what kind of video you want to see. And please, if you have not subscribed to my video yet, and if you really want me to see again, please do subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to click on the notification bell that you can get notification every time when I get a new video uploaded. So anyway guys, that's all for today guys. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, love you guys, be happy, be blessed.